I was usually good at this at the fairground. You throw it over the... Why doesn't it work on motorbikes? Time to do the horizontal belt. What I like to do is have the words, if you want, on the belt tracking this way. So that's how I'm going to install it. I've seen a few belts that are like installed backwards. Does it make any difference? I couldn't tell you. I don't have all the answers. Easiest thing I can do is reach for the aloe vera. Yeah, nice splodge of it on there. There you go. Oh, sticky. That's going to help me install the belt a little easier. I always struggle with this bit because I'm a struggler. Okay, so as I tension it up, we're going to see everything come into line, okay? I just got to go and find something to wipe my gloves off for. Oh, I love it when it comes to... I just get really excited about my job. I love it. I love it. You get it right, do it right. I'm going to get something to tension these up. Well, oh my God, I'm so excited. I am so excited. So they've all had a little touch of Loctite on them. I like it. Come on, wiggle. Get that all the way in. That's the difference. I'd done these up by hand thinking I'd reached the correct torque value, but clearly I hadn't. Can I have my bit back, please? Can't leave that in. Can't leave that in the bike. Thank you very much for my bit back. Yeah, progress. So let's admire the new belts. Lovely. And I'm just going to double check everything and then give the engine a rotation, see if any pistons smash into valves, and if not, then we've fixed it. No, we haven't fixed nothing. Look at the mould. You mouldy, crusty. Oh, that I talked about this morning, and I saw something at home that I wanted to bring in, but I forgot. There's such a rush this morning with phone calls and everything. All right, let's see if we can rotate the engine. Stressful. That's one full rotation. And it's just coming up on its second. Oh, got a bit farther. Yeah, so that's 2 rotations and we're looking pretty chipper. Quick toolbox talk on tensioning 2 valve heads. This is a 3mm hex bit on the screwdriver. If I can pass it under the roller, then properly tensioned, same the other side, we're good to go. So I cleaned up the spark plugs, took 2 seconds. Just a tiny bit of the old BDX on the threads, and then pop them back into the bike. I've also checked the gaps, and gaps were fine. You don't have to put anything on the threads, personal preference. I think some plug manufacturers say that they they've already put a coating on the threads. It's a sacrificial layer. It's up to you, really. Right. Tidy. Old belts. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. Surely need to get around to this at some point. I thought I'd crack on with this, and so I started chasing the wiring, and I noticed it was just hanging. Okay, it wasn't secured at all. There's no witness marks. It was just stuffed up there. What you doing up there, eh? Well, that's where it connects. Let's get this new one on. What are you? Oh, I'm getting tired. I think I need a cup of tea. Oh, I'm running out of